I didn't come from a family of physicians or doctors, but unfortunately had my fair share of injuries through athletics growing up. And with that was involved on the patient side of orthopedic surgery and orthopedics, and just really got attracted to it. It appealed to me right away. So at an early age, started spending some time shadowing some local orthopedic surgeons, and I just knew right away that's what I wanted to do, and really had no significant interest throughout med school doing anything other than orthopedic surgery. I just thought that's, what I was meant to do and what I was going to be happy doing. I was born and raised in Colorado, so did my undergraduate and med school and everything in and around the Denver area, and then moved to the Duluth area and had two kids that were hockey players. That was a great transition for my family and allowed us to get exposure to just an incredible, hockey mentality and culture, which my kids thrived in. And then now looking forward to a new spot here, but still staying in the, north and around the beauty of Lake Superior and the outdoor things. I like a little more variety in terms of the things I enjoy, and I think I can do well. So I think this, community and size of facility really kind of fits the way I like to practice medicine. My fellowship was kind of a combination of sports medicine and joint replacement. So the bulk of my practice is involved with sports-related sports medicine injuries, primarily kind of the shoulder, knee, and the ankle. And then I do joint replacements, which I enjoy because that kind of exposes me to a whole different kind of type of patient. Coming in from practice in the Duluth area, I was aware of Dr. Signorelli, Dr. Cummins. They have a great reputation, great surgeons. So really excited to join, a phenomenal practice that they've built here, and, couldn't ask for better partners. And I think the way we approach medicine, our philosophy of care with our patients, I think will fit in very well, and just very welcoming to have an administration that's so supportive of allowing us to, I think, for the size of a hospital in the area, just create a very high level of orthopedic care, and just kind of very excited and privileged to be a part of that. Anything outdoors, especially, that's where I'm attracted to this area, hiking, biking, jogging. And I just think the area, it offers a whole new area of Lake Superior to kind of explore. Looking to spend more time up in the Bayfield area and up at the Apostle Islands and things like that. Stuff that we'd always wanted to do, but didn't get to as much as we'd like. And now it's a whole new avenue that's going to be really convenient to kind of explore and enjoy. I am an aspiring rock star. I always joke that right now, orthopedics is just my fill-in job until I can learn how to play guitar good enough that I can just be a guitar player. But I'm horrible, so I don't think my patients need to worry about that happening anytime soon.